Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. Today I'm going to show you how to speed up Windows 11 computer or laptop. To fix lagging issue, you have to follow these steps to speed up your PC or laptop. First of all, click on Start button. Here, click on Settings option. Now select Privacy and Security option. Go on to General tab and uncheck all these things. Go back and click Inking and Typing Personalization. Uncheck this option. Now again go to Privacy and Security and select Activity History. Uncheck Store My Activity History. Go back and open Location tab. Uncheck this. Same as it is, go to Camera and disable this. You can follow all the steps and uncheck all the things. Now go to Search and type Task Manager. Open Task Manager. Here select Startup tab. Disable Cortana and more applications which you don't use. These applications automatically runs on startup and make your computer slow. So disable the applications which are not in use. After disabling all these things, restart your computer. I hope this video will help you to make your computer faster. Thanks for watching my video. Click subscribe button to get more updates.